Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing the Tasmanian Devil. All right, so here's his giant mouth. He's got a hand here. He's got another arm and a hand here, little hair on his head, and little chesty kinda. Leg here, and another leg here, and a little Tasmanian Devil tail. All right, here we go. You're gonna love it. So, I'm gonna start about right here. I'm gonna make a curvy line like that. Then I'm gonna make another curvy line like that that's gonna come around. Then I'm gonna put a circle-y oval in there with another circle-y oval there. And then that line's gonna come down like that. Then I'm gonna put a line across, and there's gonna be a great big line that comes down, around like that. And then we've got some teeth. He's very toothy. Very toothy. And then he's got an M back here for his tongue. And then we've got a line that comes down and around. And then another line that comes down and back up. And then we've got another line that comes out of this line, that comes down, back up, like that. And then we come back over here and come back, zigzag, zigzag, and there it is. Then there's a line that comes up from this tooth and comes back. And then we've got more teeth. More teeth. Some little whiskers. And some more whiskers. And then this line right here comes across, comes back up, zigzag, 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 and back over here. And we have a little line there for his ear, I think. And then we have another oval here for an ear. And we're gonna do the eyes. So they're gonna come around like that. Little circle, little light there. Another kind of more ovalish circle, little light. And here's his Tasmanian eyebrows, zigzag, zigzagging around. They just kind of follow the eyes around. Like that. And then this line comes back. Then we have some hair. And part of his hair is round and part of it's zigzaggy. Like that. Okay. And there is his face. Oh, he looks so scary. All right. Then here's his arm. So we're gonna come out up here by this and come around, around, zigzag, zigzag, come around so it gets real small up here. Then we have palm, palm, thumb, comes around. Then we've got another finger here, comes back, another finger here. back down. And there is his one hand, and then his arm comes back here and down into his leg, zigzag, zigzag, and then back down, out, round, around and back, and then comes up, down, back around, like so, back, zigzag, zigzag, and back into this part right here. Then we got one more arm and we're almost there. Comes down, back up, zigzag, zigzag elbows, and back up. And we've got the palm, little line. It's gonna come out, just like that. Coming up, around. There's one. There's two. And there's three. And we did it. The Tasmanian Devil. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.